Can't find what you're looking for in that packed up old wallet? Don't ruin your credit cards or use those unsafe wallets. Forget about those huge wallets that don't even fit into your pocket or purse. You're losing money without even noticing. Say stop! Introducing MetaSafe Wallet, a lightweight wallet made of aluminum that is indestructible and water resistant. You'll be amazed at all that you can put in it. Credit cards, IDs, money, and much, much more. Its simple one-click lock allows you to open it quickly. And thanks to its accordion design, you can take out your cards easily. MetaSafe Wallet is the perfect wallet for men and women. And its compact size fits in any bag or pocket. Having an aluminum cover, it resists water and blows. Not even a car can crush MetaSafe Wallet. This wallet protects your cards from any damage. And best of all, it prevents the magnetic stripe of your cards from damaging. It also protects microchip IDs, blocking their signal so no one can steal your private information. Other wallets are much more expensive and don't give good results. MetaSafe Wallet is very affordable and is the perfect size to solve all of your space problems. You can fit anything you need into MetaSafe Wallet, and everything will be well organized. It is very resistant. With MetaSafe Wallet, protect your belongings from the damage of water, bumps, accidents in your pockets, or scanners. Protect the contents of your wallet with MetaSafe Wallet. MetaSafe Wallet is available in 3 colors: silver, blue, and red. A wallet that is handy, comfortable, and safe all in one. Say goodbye to those awkward situations. Choose MetaSafe Wallet. It'll make your life so much easier. Don't think twice. MetaSafe Wallet is the solution.